Hey there, want to add an AI sales agent to your WooCommerce store? In this tutorial, we'll connect Jotform AI to WooCommerce, enabling customers to discover products, get recommendations, and shop through chat. If you're new to Blockonomics, welcome aboard. We're a privacy-first crypto payment solution. We've got all the tools you need, and our support team is here for you 24/7. Now let's dive into the tutorial. All right, let's get started. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Once you're there, open the Advanced tab and select Features. Now scroll down until you see the WooCommerce MCP option and go ahead and enable it. After that, click Save Changes. Let's get started. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, and click Add Plugin. Search for Jotform AI Chatbot, then go ahead and install and activate the plugin. Once it's activated, head to your installed plugins page and search for Jotform. There it is. Now let's create our AI chatbot. Follow along. After signing up, Jotform will ask for permission to access your account. Go ahead and approve it. Next, we'll customize the chatbot. Start with the prompt and instructions, then configure the tone and conversation style. After that, customize the appearance. Choose where you'd like the chatbot to appear on your site, and then publish it. One of the most important steps is adding knowledge to your chatbot. This is where you teach the AI about your store, products, policies, and customer experience. And then publish it. Now let's connect it to WooCommerce. Head over to WooCommerce Settings. Click the Advanced tab, and then select REST API. Here, we'll generate a new API key pair that we'll use to enable WooCommerce integration inside Jotform. Once you've generated your WooCommerce API keys, head back to the WooCommerce settings in Jotform. Copy and paste the consumer key and consumer secret into their respective fields, and click on Connect Store. Here you can choose what your AI assistant can do, including finding products, making recommendations, adding items to the cart, and providing order status updates. That's it. Everything is connected. Now let's test the chatbot on the store. I'll ask it to show me the best-selling products. Add it to my cart directly through the chat experience. There we go. The product has been added and I can head straight to checkout. The item I wanted is already selected, making the buying process much faster and easier. In the future, the Jotform AI chatbot could also help customers track crypto payments, check transaction statuses, and request refunds, all through a simple chat conversation. Thank you so much for watching.